The error code C1 on an air conditioner indicates a fault with the indoor temperature sensor. This issue can be caused by a faulty indoor temperature sensor or a short circuit. To fix the problem, replacing the indoor temperature sensor is a potential solution. This can be done by switching the unit off, unplugging it, removing the plastic cover, locating the temperature sensor, labeling the wiring, removing the faulty sensor, installing a new one, and then reinstalling the wiring harness and plastic cover. After completing these steps, the unit can be switched back on to test if the issue is resolved. Another possible solution is to test for short circuits by switching the unit off, visually inspecting the wiring for damage, using a multimeter to test for continuity, isolating sections with different readings, checking the insulation, and fixing any damaged sections before testing the circuit again. If these methods do not resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact a trained technician for further troubleshooting.